Today's gonna be really super quick, simple, and easy, so you can apply the same concept: condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and then Diamond Dust Pixie. Then you can go back with the Precision Glue Gel to double secures all of your Diamond Dust Pixie. And no wipe top coat. And then same thing. Let's see, we have the red nose. I really like this one. Should I do this one? Stocking stuffer. We should Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. This must be meant to be. Stay right there. Oh my gosh. Should I leave it there?
Yes, you can.
Haha. It's cute. Okay. So I'm gonna put some, she's gonna be in the next nail or whatever. I'm gonna find some green. I'm gonna go this way, easier for me to see. Add some green. You know what? Even it looks good by itself. Okay. I'm going to use a tray to hold on to this and sprinkle the Diamond Dust Pixie is in. I'm going to need help. It looks really good by itself though. That a little like mistletoe or holy. You know what? I think I want some white on it to make it ombre. Looks cool though. Okay, so we want to do a first color is green, and then make sure you are going to taper it in so it's a nice and compact. And I am going to using one of my AB Diamond Dust Pixie. All right, so it's not clear yet, okay? So we're gonna leave it right here. Can you get me the one there? I need the AB. My AB crystal, Diamond Dust Pixie. It doesn't do a dance to my. It off, and in the meantime I'm gonna pick a couple of the colors to give it some sparkle on the nails. I like it a lot though. It's just really different than normally we doing our live videos. There's something is really cool. A lot of you asking this question for this Diamond Dust Pixie, and here you go. This video is for you. A lot of you receiving this, and I love it. You know, if you can leave it like this, but then we're gonna do the next half of the nails. Is I'm not curing anything yet. There are condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat in there. So what we need to do is go like that. In. And then make sure you are going to just taper it in to keep it really nice and compact. So cute. Okay. It's gonna fall off later. But here you have the look of the ombre diamond dust pixie. This one I do like.